Hi, welcome to my class. All right, today we're going to continue with the seventh chords. Okay, here, remember there's dominant seven, and there's major seven, there's a minor seven, okay, and half diminished seven, and full diminished seven, right? Now you tell me. Now, when you have four notes like this, okay, here we're going to start with major seven. Now, this three, the triads, has to be in what? Is it major or minor? It's major triad. Okay, from bottom to the top, root to the seventh, it's again major seven. Okay, what about dominant seven? The bottom three notes, this triad is in what? What do you think? Major mode, right? And from bottom, the root to the seventh, is it major or minor? It is minor seventh. Okay, now for the minor seven, this triad is minor triad. And from root to the top, the seventh is minor seven. Okay, how about half diminished? So when you have, again, four notes, okay, bottom three is diminished triad, right? And from root to the top is what? What do you think? Is it major, minor, or diminished seven? It is minor seven because it's half diminished. Okay? For the full diminished, we have diminished triad plus diminished seven. Okay, good. Let's do the page 51. Okay, this is page 51, number 7. And we did it up to here last week, right? B flat major 7. Now we're going to do the last two lines. Last two questions. Here we go. How about we do this today? Now, where's the root? This, which is B, right? Now, which inversion? When you put them in the simplest form, it's going to be B, D sharp, F sharp, and A, right? Okay. Now, what do you have in the key of B major? We have F, C, G, D, A sharp, right? Okay. Look, we have D sharp, we have F sharp, but no A sharp, right? If there's A sharp, this should be major 7. Yeah, but there's no A sharp. It's from the B to A is minor 7. Then what do you call it? It's dominant 7 chord. But is it in the root position? No. Which one then? See? F sharp is on the bottom. So this is a second inversion, which is 4, 3. Okay? Figure base number is 4, 3. Okay. Now next one. Where is the root? It's on the top. This is E flat, right? All right. And when you put that in the simplest form, it's going to be E flat, G flat, B double flat, and D flat. So G flat is on the bottom. So that's a first inversion. What's the number for it? It's 6, 5. Now, when you look at the bottom three, in the key of E flat major, we have a B flat, E flat, and A flat, right? There's a E flat, okay? But there shouldn't be G flat, but it's lowered, right? And what about the fifth? It's supposed to be a B flat in key of E flat major, but it's lowered again. So there's double flat, B double flat. So as you see, it's a third and fifth are lowered. So this is diminished, right? Yeah, but look at the top. From E flat to D flat, is that a minor 7 or diminished 7? It is minor 7 because in the key of E flat major, there's no D flat, right? So it's lowered once. That's a minor 7. If it's a minor 7, is that a full diminished or is it a half diminished? It is half diminished. So we're going to do this. Circle and go. Pew. Okay. All right, next one. Now, where's the root? It's on the top. So this is A flat. Okay. And as you know, this is 6/5 because C flat is on the bottom. Okay. When you put them in the simplest form, oh my goodness, there's so many flats. A flat. Okay. C flat. E double flat. This is double flat. And we have G flat. Okay. What do you have in the key of A flat major? We have a B, E, A, and D. Right? Okay. We don't have C flat, but it's lowered. We only have E flat, but it's lowered again. Okay. So bottom 3. This is in the diminished triad. Right? Now from A flat to G flat. A flat to G flat. Oh, there's a G double flat. Oh, I missed it. There's a G double flat. Okay, in the key of A flat major, there's no G flat, right? But it's lowered twice. So this is diminished 7. Now when you have diminished triad plus diminished 7, is that a half diminished or full diminished? It's full diminished. Okay, so it's diminished 6/5. A flat diminished 6/5. Okay, let's try this now. It's in the root position, so number should be 6. And where's the root? It's a C flat. What do you have in the key of C flat major? We have all 7 flats, right? See, you have all those flats. So it's a C flat major 7. Okay, where's the root? This, which is F sharp. Okay, when you put them in the simplest form, it's going to be F sharp, A natural, C natural, and E natural, right? Okay. Now, what do you have in the key of F sharp major? We have F, C, G, D, A, E sharp. You're supposed to have A sharp. You're supposed to have C sharp. And you're supposed to have E sharp, right? But it's lowered, lowered, lowered. Okay? So you have diminished triad here. And you have minor 7 from here to here. Okay? Then is that a half diminished or is that full diminished? It's half diminished. Okay? Which inversion? 4, 3. It's a second inversion. Look. C sharp is on the bottom. C natural is on the bottom. Right? Okay. All right, let's do the last one now. Oh, so many flats. Okay, now where's the root? It's right there. It's a G flat. Okay. G, B, D, F. So this is the third inversion. Okay. In the key of G flat major, what do you have? We have 6 flats, right? B, E, A, D, G, C flats. Okay. Now it's good to write them in the simplest form. So we have, okay, let's do this. We have G flat. We have B double flat. We have D flat. And we have F flat. All right, now, as you know, there's a B flat, but it's double flat. So this is lowered. Third is lowered. And we have D flat, right? So this is within the key. So far this is minor triad. Okay, from G flat to F flat, that's minor 7. Isn't that it? Yeah, so minor and minor. What do you call it? Minor. It's a G flat minor 2. Okay, all right, got it? Okay, let's do the last line. Okay, we have D, F, A, and B flat. Okay, where's the root? It's on the top. So this is B flat. Now, what's on the bottom? the second one, B flat D and F A, right? When you put them in the simplest form, it's going to be B flat D F and A. Okay. All right, so this is 6/5 because it's a first inversion, right? Okay. Now what do you have in the key of B flat major? We have a B flat and E flat. Yeah. Everything belongs in the key of B flat major, right? So this is major 6/5. All right, next one. E, G sharp, B, D. Oh, this is in the root position, so number should be 7. And this is E, right? In the key of E major, what do you have? We have F, C, G, D sharp. We have G sharp there. We suppose to have a D sharp if it's a major 7, but it's lowered. So from here to here is minor 7, right? If it's a minor 7, then what's that? Dominant. So E dominant 7. Okay, let's try this now. We have F, G, B flat, D flat. Where's the root? It's a G. Now, which inversion? G, B, D, F, right? So this is 2. Third inversion. Okay. In the simplest form, it's going to be G, B flat, D flat, and F. Okay. In the key of G major, you only have F sharp, but it's lowered. So this is minor 7, right? This is minor 7. Now look at the bottom 3. We have a G, B flat, D flat. In the key of G major, there's no B flat, right? And no D flat, right? So this is diminished. So is that a full diminished or is that a half diminished? It is half. Why? Because from bottom to the top, it's only a minor 7, not a diminished 7. Okay? So this is half diminished. G half diminished. All right, next one. Where is the root? It's right there. D. Okay? In the simplest form, D, F, A flat, and C flat. Okay? Now which inversion? Now A flat is on the bottom, so this is second inversion. The number is 4/3. Okay? And what do you have in the key of D major? F sharp and C sharp. But look, third one is lowered, and the fifth is lowered. And C sharp, you're supposed to have a C sharp, but it's C flat. So it's lowered twice. So this is diminished 7, right? So diminished triad plus diminished 7 is, what do you call it? It's a full diminished. So D diminished 4/3. Okay, let's do the last two. Now we have C flat, E double flat, G flat, and B double flat. Okay, it's a C flat root position, right? Now what do you have in the key of C flat major? Everything, all 7 flats. But look at the middle one. It's lowered again, right? Okay, so it's a minor. This is minor triad. And from C to B, wait a minute. Am I right? Am I right? Yeah, it is minor, right? And C flat to B double flat. Now, if it's just C flat to B flat, that's a major 7, but it's lowered again. So it's a minor 7. When you have minor and minor, what do you call it? Minor. Yes, it's a C flat minor 7. Okay, last one. Where is the root? It's on the top, which is B, right? And this is first inversion, 6/5. In the simplest form, it's going to be B, D, F, and A. In the key of B major, what do you have? We have F, C, G, D, A sharp, right? But look, we have D sharp is lowered, F sharp is lowered, right? And A sharp is lowered. So this is diminished plus minor. This is minor 7. And what do you call it? It's a B, not full diminished, but half diminished. Because B to A is minor 7. Got it? Okay, that's so much for that. Now, can we try the next page? Okay, now we'll do page 52. All right, now label each box chord with its root, quality, and figure base. Okay, we have this, right? Okay, why is it B flat dominant 7, dominant 4, 3? Look, we have B flat, D, F, and A flat. Okay, when you put them in the simplest form, it's gonna be B flat, there's a B flat, and there's a D, F, and A flat. Okay, in the key of B flat major, you know B flat and E flat, right? So bottom 3, this is in major mode. And from B flat to A flat is minor 7, right? Because in the key of B flat major, there's no A flat. Okay, so when you have major triad with a minor 7, what do you call it? It's B flat dominant 7. But is it in the root position? No, F is on the bottom. So this is the second inversion. Got it? Okay, now let's try B now. Okay, what do we have? We have F, B flat, A, D sharp. Okay, F, B flat. Now, when you put that in the simplest form, it's going to be a B natural, and there's D sharp. Now we have F sharp and A natural. B, D sharp, F sharp, and A natural. Okay, now, so this is B something, right? So it's a B. And what inversion is that? F sharp is on the bottom. It's a second inversion, which is 4, 3, right? Okay, now then check it out. B, D sharp, F sharp. What's that? That's a major mode, because in the key of B major, there's F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. But A sharp is gone. There's A natural. So from B to A is minor 7. Then what do you call it? Is that a major 7 or is that a dominant 7? It is dominant 7 chord. Okay? All right. Let's do C. Okay, now what do we have? We have, is that A? Yeah, A flat, F, C, E flat, and F. Okay, when you put that in the simplest form, that's F. Shall we put it here? Yeah, there's F, A flat, C, and E flat, right? Because of the, these flats. Okay, all right. Then it's F something, right? And the first inversion, because A flat is on the bottom. So it's 6, 5. Okay, now take a look at it. F, A flat, C. Is that a major triad or minor triad? It is minor triad because in the key of F major, there's no A flat. And the third note is, the middle one is lowered, right? Okay, from F to E flat, is that a major 7 or minor 7? It's a minor 7. So when you have minor triad with a minor 7, then what do you call it? It's a minor 7. Okay, the next one. We have B flat, F, A, D, and F. Okay, so it's when you put that in the simplest form, it's going to be B flat, D, F, and we have A flat. So there's A flat, B flat, okay? All right, this. We have this. Okay, now bottom 3, B flat, D, and F. Is this major or minor? It is major. Okay, it's a major mode. Okay, what about B flat to A flat? Is that a major 7 or is that a minor 7? It is minor 7. When you have major triad plus minor 7, when you have major triad with a minor 7, what do you call it? It is dominant 7, right? So that's the answer. So it's a B flat dominant 7. Now, is it in the root position? Yes, B flat is on the bottom. Okay, good. And let's do the question D. Okay, bottom of page 52. All right, now what do we have? Okay, we have E, G, B flat, and C sharp. E, G, B flat, and C sharp. Okay, the simplest form. Now we have C sharp, E, G, and B flat, right? Okay, so this is C sharp something. And what's on the bottom? E natural, which is the first inversion. So number is 6, 5. Okay, then check it out. Bottom 3, the triad. As you know, in the key of C sharp major, you have a E sharp and G sharp and B sharp. All the sharps, right? Yeah, but they're all lowered. Third and fifth are lowered, so this is diminished. From C sharp to B flat is that a minor or is it diminished? It is diminished because in the key of C sharp major, there's a B sharp. It's lowered twice, right? So it's the full diminished. Okay, so it's a diminished. Okay, so C sharp diminished 6, 5. That's good. All right, shall we try page 53 now? Okay, page 53, E. Right here. We have C sharp, B flat, E natural, and G. C sharp is on the bottom, right? E, G natural, and B flat. Okay. Now, as you know, in the key of C sharp major, so this is C sharp in root position. Right there, bottom 3. In the key of C sharp major, you have all the sharps, right? It's lowered. And you're supposed to have a B sharp, but it's lowered twice. So this is diminished, right? Diminished triad plus diminished 7 is called a diminished 7. Okay, good. And let's try this F. All right, now what do we have? We have, 2 treble clef. So we have A, C sharp, E, and G. A, C sharp, E, and G. This is what we have. Okay, then look. This is A something, right? Because it's in the root position. And look, A, C sharp, and E. Is that a major triad or minor triad? Or is it diminished triad? It is major triad. How can you tell? Because in the key of A major, there's F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, right? Yeah? Supposed to have G sharp here if it's a major, but it's lowered. Okay? So when you have, this is major triad, okay, plus minor 7 is called dominant. Oops, wrong color. It's a dominant. It's A dominant 7.